Ala, imbis na aakyat yung viewers ko, bumaba. Can you show me your nails? Hello, Broment. Yes, it's nice. It's nice, and until now I didn't finish my nails in my finger. It's just in my feet. But I apologize, my feet is not really good. Yan, that's the nails. Because the color of my clothes is that, no? That's the, that's the nails I use, nail polish. Yan. Okay? So, okay now? Yeah. That's the nail polish I make.